So hello guys, I am playing Horse Riding Tales again. So we're playing hide and seek right now. Me and Goldie are literally going to hide. Alright, okay. The seekers haven't found any hiders, so the hiders win. So let's play again. Okay, let's just wait for another round. I literally can't wait. Oh, yes, we found a. Alright, we are a hider then, right? That was a seeker. We are right next to the seeker. Oh no, Scotty! Oh, that was the seeker that I just saw. Alright. Okay. Let's slow you down. There! I see a hider up there. Alright, she's a seeker now. So only 2 hiders remaining. Okay, so let's see if we can find another player. Okay. Alright, let's go and keep on going. Let me gallop. Oh, that's a bit of a speed. Okay. So let's check in here. Woohoo! I fell, but we are still going to be looking. Okay. Oh boy, I haven't even seen any hiders. This is... Oh, you're done. Just wait. Next round is Yoru, I think. Oh, what? You gotta be kidding. I just barely started. Wow. This is so unbelievable. Literally unbelievable. Alright, it's coming down. Coming down. Now we're going up. So that I can catch. No, I want it to be red. Since I'm red, so this one's going to be red as well. And we took this area as seekers very honored. Alright, let's slow it down. Oh, almost fell. Let's try to jump. gonna go up there and get that. Sure, we can catch. Sure, that hider's here. If I hope it didn't run. Now her name's Dandy Cool. Alright, I caught her. Yes. Yippee! Let's just manual. Actually, galloping is too fast, and Goldie might be tired. I'll buy Goldie's head. Alright. Alright. Is there a hider here? Nope. Oh wait, I didn't check this area. No. I can't find anyone here. So let's go somewhere else instead. Chill, guys. Let's chill. I'm rolling down the the bridge. No, even there is no green. No hiders here. There are literally no hiders. I'm sure they're here somewhere. I fell. Alright, let's just get back up. I'm killing the lady. Nope, there's no hiders here. What do you mean, dog? I'm not a dog. Let's just get it back up. You know. I just remaining around too. I'm sure we can do this, guys. So that's how the hot. Can you talk to me? I don't think so. There's a cake over here. You rude. I'm a hider. I'm gonna get caught by Seeker. That shouldn't be too hard. So it must be very, very quiet. Just not to get caught. Is that Seeker? It's a Seeker and a hider. The Seeker would go so that I can go to the other side. And the Seeker won't go. So I'm gonna go here. And go over there. So let's... Ow. I missed it. Oh no! Please don't tell me. Oh no, oh no, oh no! Oh no, no way. There's actually no to choose on. Oh boy, if it's red. I just landed with a seeker. Run, Golly! Go to that hider over there. We won't get caught. Go, 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 go! Oh, no, no way. Nuh-uh. Whoa, how did he get up there? No, 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 no! Why can't the Seekers just get us? Because they're not riding a horse? I'm not sure. The horse can just spawn to them. Let me go down here. I think it's safe. Or maybe not. Okay. Oh, it's a potion. Speed potion, jump potion. Whoa. That's cool. I mean, yeah. But I gotta run. I gotta run.